unbox some lighting. So these are two Neewer side panel lights along with an 18-inch Neewer ring light. And of course, I'm going to have the links for each product in the description for you guys. So let's start. This is what it looks like. And you can buy a battery pack so that you don't have to use a plug. So now it's time for me to just like set up the stand for the side panels. And if it looks like I don't know what I'm doing or I look a little confused, that's because I don't. I just, saw this recommended and decided I needed it. So here is where you plug it in the back. And remember those two little circles right there? That is for your settings. So one is for like white light, one is for more like a yellowish light. So you can play with the settings and see which one you like. And now I'm just repeating the same process with the second, because when I have the ring light and I use it, I'm gonna have one on the left, one on the right, right? So now time to take out this ring light. My craft space don't really have lighting for some reason. The apartment, the living room, this is my living room that I turn into my craft room. So, let's go back to what that is. So that's the box with all the accessories. I told y'all I'm all over the place. That's the little remote that go in the front, the plugs. That little orange thing is the shutter light. Those are the pieces that hook on the top to hold your phone and things like that. That's the official ring light. I don't remember what I was even telling y'all before, and I cut my own self off. But anyway, now that top piece there, that's the little squares that you're going to slide the phone holder thingy on. Now I'm looking in this bag because I'm trying to find the stand for the ring light and I could not find it. It's on the bottom. That's actually cute. It has a separate little compartment on the bottom and it stores the stand part for that. I like that. Also, like if you decide to take this somewhere and travel with it, even better. I don't see myself traveling no big ring light, but you never know when you have to. So this is what it looks like close up. That little handle there, that's if you want to bend the actual ring light forward. Let's say you're doing like overhead recording of your craft project, you can bend that. This is so satisfying to me. I don't know why, just peeling it off. So that's a little, I guess it's like a remote. I don't even know what they call it. So it snaps on the front. When you turn it on, you can change the setting just like the panel lights, where you adjust the yellow and the white. Now this is where you screw it on onto the top there to hold your phone. Very simple. So this is the three of them. That's not the highest they're gonna go, but I'm gonna show you how high they can go. So let's start off with the ring light. This is the like remote control. I'm trying to get it where the light, where it focuses so you can see it properly. There we go. All right, so we're going to turn that bad boy on. And I just want y'all to know that I have no clue what I'm doing, right? I saw it suggested. Let's pop it in there. There we go. Now, the back of it obviously is not on. Right here, that's the power button. You just press and hold. And you see it came on, right? I'm also gonna come in here in the dark so we can see what it looks like. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Who knows? This here makes it brighter. It's hard to see on this. And then this here, ooh, it's whiter. Whiter. So you see the measurements for each one on that side. The channel, the M, I don't know. I gotta look it up to see what all of this is about. But also too, let me show you here. You see 3 pieces. It holds 2 phones and a camera attachment comes for it in the middle. And I have these 2 set up on here to record. So if I'm doing like YouTube this way, and then this one will be holding it for like, Instagram that way, right? See, that's how it looks in the front. See how much brighter it is? Right? Now, at the bottom here, you can adjust this and open it wider. Pushing it up higher will make it taller. Then you have the adjustable piece 1, 2, And that is the just top one, right? I don't know what I did. I just turned it off. Hold on. What did I do? I told y'all I don't know what I'm doing, right? But it was highly requested and I needed some lighting in here. So this is it. Now, as for these two side panel babies, they also can go higher. Same adjustable here. So you see it just here and here. I'm gonna adjust it to the top. This is about, the top of this hits, I think 6 feet. Yeah, so this is about 6 feet right here. So you can see it's higher than that. And we're gonna raise it up to the highest also, so you can see exactly how tall it gets. Now with these, you can actually purchase battery packs to take them along with you, and you don't have to use a plug. And then obviously this is the power button. You on? Were you plugged in? Listen, y'all, just freaking pray for me because I obviously don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. So I have all the extension cords. Again, I want to reiterate that these are not like exact tutorials. This is just me showing y'all what I'm doing. I never said it was right. Oh, hold on. I didn't press it all the way. Anywho, so this is for yellow light, and then this is the white light. So you could have it like white brighter. The yellow makes it like, you know, a little dimmer. See, I'm turning it there. And these two are going to be like on the sides of my desk, like my work area. And then the ring light will be at the front with the phone. So let me adjust them to the highest height they can go. Remember up there, that is 6 feet. And I'll show y'all that part. I told y'all the top of that is about 6 feet. Look at that. Look at that. So that's like 7, 8 feet high. Jesus. I won't need it that high. I really bought this to create content. I've already used it and I love it. So I'm gonna come back and like do a video in the nighttime so you can see how dark it is and the difference when I turn the lights on. Oh, wait, I almost forgot one part, guys. Okay, so I put my other phone so I could show you guys how to work the shutter. So you're going to have this when you're going to link it to your phone. That way you can take your own pictures by yourself and start recording, right? Hold on, let's focus again, right? So you're going to turn it on, the bottom here. The light is a little distracting, right? Now, you see on the phone, it says Neewer shutter. That's the bottom one there. Let's get it. See? We're going to select that. We're going to pair. Now, we're connected, right? So let's go to camera and y'all gonna see how homeless I'm looking over here. Let's look at your girl. Oh God, let me block my face because I look homeless, right? And then we're going to take the shutter and that took the picture. Go here. See that? There go the photo. Now let's go to video, right? It started recording. Now we want to stop recording. There we go. So guess what? We don't need anybody with us to make our content now. The shutter. Also too, take this along with you with just your phone, even when you're not even using a ring light. Hello. All right, bye-bye. Okay, so now we're in the dark. Let me turn on the light and show you the difference. Look at that. Look at that. And now this is just me in my robe looking a little homeless. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. So I'm turning on both of the panels. I swore I was hiding off to the side so y'all couldn't see me, but obviously you can. And then I turned on the ring light with both. But you see the difference compared to how dark it was when I first walked in here. So I give it a thumbs up. I've been using it. I love it. Let me know what you think, how you feel. And again, if you want to purchase them, I do have the links in the description. And look at that. Bright. From pitch dark to bright. I love it.